Welcome students. Today we will start our next topic of chapter 6 tissues of class 9th biology, that is complex tissues. We know that there are two types of plant tissues, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. In the previous lecture we get to know about the meristematic tissues and its type, and also about permanent tissue and one of its type, that is simple permanent tissue. Now today let's understand about complex permanent tissues. As the name suggests, complex, that is, they are made up of more than one type of cell, but all these cells coordinate together to form a specialized function in the plants. So complex permanent tissues are classified into two types, that is xylem and phloem. The first type of complex tissue is xylem, that is made up of four kind of cells. These are tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. So children, basically xylem are responsible for conduction of water and minerals from root to all parts of the plant body. Out of four elements of xylem, only xylem parenchyma is living cell and remaining are dead cells. That's why xylem is responsible for strength and support to the plant. The another type of complex tissue is phloem. It is made up of four type of elements. They are sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. All the three cells, that is the sieve tube, the companion cell and the phloem parenchyma, are living, and only the phloem fiber are dead cells. See children, basically phloem help in food transportation in plants, and this transportation of food in plants is known as translocation. So let's summarize plant tissues. We get to know that there are two types of plant tissues. Yes, that is meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. And meristematic tissues are further divided into apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. Yes, and children, permanent tissues are of two types, that is simple permanent and complex permanent tissues. And we know that simple permanent are further divided into three parts, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And similarly, complex permanent tissues are divided into two types. These are xylem and phloem. So this was all about plant tissues. In the next video, we will discuss about the next part of the chapter.